If you've forgotten your Instacart password or need to reset it for any reason, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Open the Instacart app or website. Launch the Instacart app on your mobile device or go to the Instacart website on your computer. Step 2. Go to the login page. Click on the login button. You will see an option for Forgot Password on the login screen. Step 3. Click on Forgot Password. Select the Forgot Password link. This will take you to a page where you can enter your email address associated with your Instacart account. Step 4. Enter your email address. Type in the email address you used to create your Instacart account and click on the Send Reset Link button. Check your email inbox for a password reset email from Instacart. Step 5. Follow the instructions in the email. Open the email from Instacart and click on the provided link. You will be directed to a page where you can create a new password. Enter your new password, confirm it, and save the changes. Once you've completed these steps, you should be able to log into your Instacart account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Instacart customer support for further assistance.